Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic close to our hearts: family goal setting. As parents, caregivers, or family members, it is essential to work together towards common goals, foster a strong bond, and create lasting memories. So, grab a notepad and pen, because we're about to dive into the world of setting meaningful family goals. Segment 1. Why are family goals important? Before we jump into the how, let's explore the why behind setting family goals. Studies show that families who work toward goals together experience greater communication, trust, and overall happiness. Goals provide direction, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment. Plus, they're wonderful opportunities to teach kids valuable life skills. Segment 2. Identifying family values. The first step in setting family goals is to identify your core values. What is most important to your family? Is it quality time, education, health, or adventure? Take time to discuss and prioritize these values. They will guide your goal-setting process. Segment 3. Smart family goals. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of goal setting. Remember the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Applying this to family goals means creating clear, realistic, and time-bound goals. Segment 4. Brainstorming and setting goals. Gather the family around. It's brainstorming time. Each member can contribute their ideas, such as planning a family vacation, learning a new skill, or spending more quality time together. Discuss and select several goals that align with your values and meet the SMART criteria. Segment 5. Breaking down goals. Breaking big goals into small, manageable steps is key. Let's say your family's goal is to live a healthy lifestyle. Break it down into parts like a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Assign tasks to family members and create a collaboration plan. Segment 6. Tracking progress. Time to track progress. Create a visual tracker or use a digital tool to track your family's progress toward goals. Celebrate small wins and encourage each other to stay on track. This builds motivation and a sense of achievement. Segment 7. Overcoming challenges. Remember that challenges are part of any journey. If you face setbacks or obstacles, don't get discouraged. Use them as opportunities to learn, adapt, and grow closer as a family. Communication is key. Discuss challenges openly and work together to find solutions. Segment 8. Celebrating achievements. Woo-hoo! You did it! As you achieve your family goals, celebrate these moments together. Plan a special family outing, have a movie night, or just bask in the satisfaction of your accomplishments. These celebrations strengthen the sense of unity. Setting family goals is a beautiful way to nurture the relationships that matter most. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the journey you're on together. So, gather your loved ones, start those conversations, and embark on an exciting path to achieving your family's dreams. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep trying, growing, and loving each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Share your family goal-setting stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay connected and get inspired. See you soon.